Welcome back to another video, and if you remember rightly, in the previous video we got Goode's Escort RS Cosworth out of storage, which has been in there for a fair amount of time, and outside on the front. But in today's video, we need to take it out on the road. So let's get in it and go. A 28-year-old Escort RS Cosworth. I never thought I'd be driving one of these, let alone the K64 car one. And this is not just any one, this is running just shy of 400 bhp, so this is going to be fun. Let's go. So then, here we go. It feels like a proper old school sort of track car. We've spoke about the interior, we spoke about the whole car in the previous video. If you've not watched it, click in the top right hand corner now. But to actually take this thing out on the road is going to be another level. For being 28 years old, this thing is unreal. So here we go. You join me in the Escort RS Cosworth, and I don't know if you can hear this straight away. It sounds like it's sneezing. And I think you can have just as much fun in this car, being that it's 28 years old, to a car of today. It drives so nice. I mean, the seating position is quite high, and obviously the interior is not like the newer cars, but I kind of like it. I kind of really like that. The engine, obviously a 2-litre turbo, has been chosen by GTR, so it's just shy of 400 bhp, which in this thing, which weighs next to nothing, is going to be really quick. So I'm excited to sort of let it breathe down a dual carriageway in a minute. So we've got the I've got the dials in front of me, so I can see what bar of boost I'm at, what oil pressure the car's at, and everything like that. It's a proper little track car, this thing. And again, only 13,000 miles on the clock. It kind of makes me a bit nervous. Still to this day, this car will be turning heads, guarantee that. The big whale fin on the back, I can just see it in the rear view mirror. You guys can probably see it as well. Just reminds you that you're in an Escort RS Cosworth, which makes you feel great about yourself. Not only does this Escort go quick, it stops quick as well. And that's because it's got AP Racing 6-pot brakes on them, and they work really well. Right, let's get onto the open road and properly drive this thing. It's time to let the Escort breathe. Let's do this. The noise! It would just keep pulling and pulling. I can see why this car was so desirable back in the day. The sound, the power, the noise, even the handling is good. Back into third. And straight on the power. It really gets through the gears. Oh, it's a proper driver involved car. You don't need no sat-nav, you don't need no radio, just you and the car, and you can feel every part of it working. You can hear the turbo, you can hear the engine, you can feel the tyres on the road. It's not like these new cars at all. It is such a driver's car. A lot of the new cars on the road as well are becoming automatic, so it's nice to have a manual. The way the revs build up, just listen, and you let off. And here we are are back at Graham's place, and what a drive it has been. The Escort RS Cosworth finally back on the road where it belongs, not inside the garage. So massive thank you for Graham for letting me take this out. Now for all your Ford RS Cosworth needs, make sure you click the link in the description box below. It will take you directly to our website, grahamgooderacing.com. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. I certainly have, driving this car. See you in the next one.